Having fun with JavaScript part 1. Let's build a rock paper scissors game with JavaScript. It's easy. You just need to write a program to generate a random option out of 3 available options, which is rock, paper and scissors. Alright, so open up your favorite code editor and create 2 files. One is for adding HTML and other one is for adding the logic. Let's add some HTML for the display. I'm just sticking to the basics, but you can style this page with more advanced CSS. Let's create 3 buttons and add a function with an argument to be run in the onClick event. I'll create this function in a second. Let's just duplicate this button 2 more times and pass rock, paper, scissors as arguments. Alright. Then let's just add another few HTML tags to display the computer's response and the result, whether you win or computer wins. Alright, so now I am done with this page, and now let's write the logic. Open up the JavaScript file we just created and create a function we added on the other page, which is play. And we're gonna create another function called computer response. You can call it whatever you want, maybe get computer response or anything. Alright. Here in the play function, I'm going to call the other function I just created and get its result like this and display it in our HTML page. In our computer response function, we generate a random number between 0 to 2. So it can generate 3 options, 0, 1 and 2. Let's assign these 3 words, rock, paper and scissors, to these 3 numbers in the respective order using a switch statement. Alright, so I'm done with this function. In the play function, let's use if statement like this to compare the user's choice and the computer's response. If they both are the same, the result is draw. If the user chooses rock and the computer chooses paper, then the user loses, otherwise user wins. Same with the other options. If the user chooses paper and the computer chooses scissors, user loses, otherwise wins. Same with the last option. Alright, so let's test this bad boy. Yep, this works. I chose rock and computer wins because computer's response is scissors. And I choose paper and it's draw because computer chooses draw paper. Alright, you can play with this. So thanks for